Alright, here it is. Panini Absolute Memorabilia 2010. Brand new box, and the auction just ended. Well, the second auction. I listed one and then I relisted the rest of the teams, and everybody paid, and we're all good to go. So good luck to everybody. And I'm hoping that we're going to get some pretty big hits here. Every pack has a hit, so I'm pretty excited about that. Checklist. I'll go with this top one first. And I remember the tape is pretty fun to get open on these things. I'm just going to move the back one to the front. And that's Darren McFadden, Oakland Raiders. We got Sidney Rice. And we got a nice hit already. Looks like it is Tim Tebow rookie card. I wish I would open this pack last because that's an amazing card. Congratulations to Denver. That's number 85 out of 99. And that card's going to be worth a lot of money. It's got jersey, football jersey. Nice hit. And we got a rookie here for the Dolphins, Jared Ordick. Well, one pack. Probably made your money back already on that. Larry Fitzgerald, one of the best wide receivers, I think, in the NFL. Frank Gore for the 49ers. Larry Fitzgerald. Oh, we got a War Room Dexter McCluster for the Chiefs. And an autographed Brian Beluga. And it's a rookie card. That's numbered 18 out of 199. Third pack. Got Matt Moore for the Panthers. Oh, we got a nice Tools of the Trade here. BART STARR jersey. It's a really nice card. That one's numbered out of 25 only. 20 out of 25. We got a Rusty Smith for the Titans rookie card. Numbered 21 out of 50. And we got a Miles Austin card. Alright, one last pack to go. Steve Smith card for the Panthers, and Dexter McCluster again, but this one's an autographed football patch card. Looks like it's 149 out of 299, or sorry, 143 out of 299. Another nice hit. And we got rookie Mark Mariani for the Titans, and we got Donald Driver for the last card. And thanks again to everybody for bidding on them, and I'll get these shipped out to you right away, and I'll probably have some more breaks up soon, so keep checking back. Thanks.